Hi! In front of me is FOSSIBOT F101 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by going into Clock app and choosing Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Now to create new alarm, tap on this button with a plus at the bottom and set up an hour. When you're done, hit OK at the bottom right corner of Select Time pop-up. As you can see, after that my alarm was successfully created. If you wish to adjust it, you can do that by operating all of those options. At the top, you can add label and save it by hitting OK. Then pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. And even exclude a date by hitting this plus next to pause alarm and selecting the chosen one. Now to save it, hit OK at the bottom right corner. In order to remove this date, just click on Remove button right next to it. Now you can click on Bell icon located under Pause Alarm. And over here, pick the best option for you. You can click on YouTube Music or Spotify, log into one of your accounts and use music from them. Select Sounds, click on Add New and pick a song from your device to set it up. Or just click on one of those sounds in order to apply the best one. In my case, Platinum. You can even click on Silent. Wherever you decided, when you're done, go back and click on this icon next to Vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback. Lastly, you can use this icon with a plus next to Google Assistant routine to add it or remove it from it. Now to hide all of those options, click on the top right corner of your alarm. As you can see, after that, mine was perfectly adjusted. To switch it off completely, click on the switcher next to it, and then turn it back on the same way. In order to edit your alarm, tap on the top right corner of it, make your changes, and then click on the same corner again. You can also click on the bottom left one instead to get rid of your alarm completely. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!